Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video we'll be presenting a tutorial on using the SIYI Air Unit HDMI input converter. The SIYI Air Unit HDMI input converter is compatible with the UniRC7 MK32, HM30, and MK15 Air units. The video is divided into three main parts. What products will be used in this test? How to connect the devices. How to display the video. What products will be used in this test? The products used in today's test include SIYI Air Unit HDMI input converter, MK15, HDMI camera, battery. The cables used are HDMI video input cable, Ethernet cable. How to connect the devices. The video output port of the HDMI input converter uses a GH 1.256 pin connector, while the video input port of the MK15 Air unit uses a GH 1.258 pin connector. Connect the video output port of the HDMI input converter to the video input port of the MK15 Air unit using an Ethernet cable. Then connect the power supply to the MK15 Air unit. Finally, connect the HDMI video input port of the HDMI input converter to the HDMI output port of the camera. How to display the video. Turn on the MK15 remote controller and open the SIYI FPV software. You'll see the video feed from the HDMI camera displayed on the remote controller screen. By clicking the recording button on the side, you can record the video. The recorded video will be saved on the SD card in the HDMI input converter. This concludes today's test. Thank you for watching. For more content, stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.